friends. Today for math, we're actually going to be learning subtraction. Subtraction is also known as take away. So instead of putting two parts together, like we do in addition, we're actually going to take some away. And we're going to work with objects no more than 5 to start, and then we'll work on to bigger numbers. So to begin, let's just think about some things that you can use in your house to help you. I'm going to pull out some Legos because I have Legos from when my kids were little. So let's just start with, why don't we just start with 3 Legos. So let's say I have 3 Legos, right? 3. And I take 1 away. So I would take 1 away. So let's say I take this one away. You would show that by saying minus. So instead of a plus sign, instead of plus, we're actually going to use the minus sign. And it's just a little line like this. So 3 minus 1, take away 1. So minus 1, I took 1 away, equals, and how many do I have left? 2. So subtraction is about taking away from the whole. So you have to think about what you start with, that's your whole, and you're going to take some away. So here are a couple problems that I have that we can work together to do it. So here's one, okay? It says 3 minus 1 equals what? So the first thing you want to do is draw a picture. So I went ahead and printed 3 circles so that we could see them. So 3 is what we start with. So let's say these are 3 balls. So 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. A good way to do this is to just cross out 1. So 3 minus 1 equals, and how many do I have left? 1, 2, 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's try another one. So here we have how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our whole. We have 4 stars. 4. Minus, how many? We're taking away 2. 4 minus, or 4 take away 2 equals, so what do you want to do? Take your pencil and cross out 2. 4 minus 2 equals, what do we have left? 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. You should try saying that with me. Let's try it again together. 4 minus 2 equals 2. All right, let's try one more together. And then try to say the number sentence with me. So here we have triangles. Let's count. How many triangles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 triangles all together. 5. It's always the first number because it's your whole. It's what you're starting with. So 5 minus, how many are we taking away? 3. So let's cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3 equals, and how many do we have left? 2. So we're going to write 2. Now let's read the sentence together. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So you're going to go around your house and you're going to try to find some objects that you can use to help you with your number stories of subtraction. So they could be something like even cereal, right? So let's say you have 5 Cheerios. These are little Cheerios, right? 5 Cheerios. So 5 minus, let's say we take away 4. So you can just move 4 away. And how many do you have left? 1. And then you can write the number sentence. 5, we started with 5, so that's always going to be the first number you write. 5 minus, and we're going to take away 4. So I'm just going to move 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now, as part of your work for the week, you will have a page like this that you can print up where you'll have a chance to make your own number stories. Okay? So you'll have a place for a picture. You'll have a place to write these number sentences just like this. Blank minus blank equals, and what's left. Then you can show your parts with a number bond. So if I were to show this with a number bond, it's just like we've been working with number bonds the whole time. So you would just, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's what we had. So if you were to represent this in a number bond, your whole is 5. So that would still go there. You're taking 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see your parts. 1 and 4 are your parts. And there you will have all 3 numbers in your number bond. The 5, which is the whole, what you start with. And then 4 is one part. That's the part you took away. And 1 is the part you have left. So on this sheet, you will have a chance to show your picture, your number sentence, your number bond, and then you're going to write your story. So I did one just as an example so that you can see what you will be doing this week, part of what you'll be doing. So if we look at this together, it says, well, before we read it, let's look at the picture. So there's me, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 soccer balls. I have 3 up here, 2 down below. So I have, and it says, I have 5 soccer balls. 2 roll down the hill. These 2 roll down the hill. So how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3 left. Now I have 3. So here's my story that I wrote. And then you can just go ahead and put the numbers in your number bond, in your number sentence and your number bond. So I could say 5, because I started with 5 balls, minus these 2 that roll down the hill. So 5 minus, or take away 2, equals these 3 that I have left. 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And if I were to complete my number bond, the 5 goes up here because that's how many balls I had to begin with. And then my parts are the 2 that rolled away and the 3 that I have left. Okay? So practice at home. Remember that you can use any object. You can use cars, you can use toys, Legos, stuffed animals, and practice telling some subtraction or take away number stories where you have a whole bunch of something and you take some away and then write the number sentences. Okay? All right, that's it, folks. Have a great time practicing. See you next time. Bye.